Hey guys, what's up? This is my first ever YouTube video. Well, not first ever YouTube video, my second YouTube video, but first YouTube video for Farming Simulator. So what we got here, we got our farm, and what I'm gonna be doing today is showing you around. So we got I'm gonna feed my dog actually. I don't know where he's. Oh, there he is. Okay, so we got the house here. We got like an old house. I need to redo that roof. It's that's old as. So then we got like a windmill here. We got the driveway, and as you go down the driveway, there's all like these big bushy trees. We got all the bushes across the house. We have the solar panels at the back. If you can see them, yep, right there. Solar panels. We got the pool, nice pool, and then we'll come over here, get in the goat up, reverse up, okay, and then, so just here, we have the water tank. We got the water tank just here. Then we come down over here, and we got like the seed, the lime, the liquid, pretty sure it is, the 2 liquid tanks. I don't know what they're called, but I think I've actually used them on something before. We come here, we got the big 2 grain tanks. We come around the back, we got the 2 trailers. I think it's called a semi. I'm not pretty sure. But we got the 2 trailers there. Actually, I'm going to show you the paddocks now. I'm going to jump out on my iPad. I'll just wait for this. Hi, so as you can see, we have this is my home farm. We got the farm here, and we got paddock 13. Paddock 13 is like our actual field, like our actual paddock, like to farm and all that. And then I don't know whether we should put down a cattle yard, use up that part there, but here we have like a hay selling thing. I don't know what they're called, but we have like a hay selling thing there. We got a big shed here. I don't know what that ripper's called. I look at it all the time and I'm just like, what is that ripper called? But not ripper, it's a I'll just call it a ripper. And then we just come over here. We actually got the Case International 490 pair of discs here. Let's see if I'm wrong. No, I'm not. We got the Case disc there. We'll come over here, and we have the big we got the gravity wagon. We come just here. We got the lime spreader with the big booms on the back. We got another cultivator. That's what that one's called, cultivator. We got a seeder, good old seeder here. And then we'll just come to this shed here. Come in here. We got the lizard truck. We got the lizard truck just there. We got the Fendt. I do not know what Fendt names are. I cannot say them. We got a John Deere 400, I'm pretty sure, R series, another R series here, John Deere. We got a John Deere 8370 RT, and then we come here, we got the S790 John Deere Combine Harvester. So that's all the machinery there. When we come here, we got the 645 FD header. So that's we got the workshop over there. So that's actually everything. So that will be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Click the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys.